Lines of code on screen again. Python's flowing through my pen. Hourglass is running out. Gotta solve this right, no doubt. Deadline's looming, it's so tight. Tick-tock goes the clock at night. Functions, loops, and ifs and else's. Each line fixes all my messes. Coding fast, time is slipping. Got no pause, pressure's gripping. Python rhythm, keep on beating. Countdown timers, never cheating. In the zone, my mind's a maze. Debugging errors that we face. Syntax highlight, guiding way. Hope to reach the break of day. Racing, pulling through each iteration. A variable drinks never ending. Python logic we're dependent. Coded